Dear students of batch 19, Assalamu alaikum. This is Sohel Ahmed, Assistant Professor, Department of Business Administration, Dhaka City College. Dear students, I hope that all of you are fine and safe. And welcome back to my online class on Management Information Systems. Dear students, today I'd like to talk about decision support in business. Chapter 10. Okay, dear students, let's start our lecture. In today's competitive business world, managers and business professionals they feel their need of such information systems that can help them in case of decision making process. And as a result, companies are investing in data-driven decision support application frameworks to help them respond to changing market conditions, as well as in order to fulfill the customer's needs, wants, and expectation. This is accomplished by several types of information systems like management information systems, decision support systems, and other information systems. Dear students, one thing you must keep in mind that management information systems, decision support systems, and other information systems help managers and business professionals in making decisions okay, dear students, here you can see labels of managerial decision. Dear students, for your kind information, I'd like to tell you that information requirements of decision makers, here you can say, see the type of information required by directors, executives, managers, and members of self-directed teams is directly related to the level of management decision making involved and the structure of decision situations they face. Okay, the students firstly would like to talk about structured decisions. Structured decisions involve situations where the procedures to follow when a decision is needed can be specified in advance. The inventory reorder decisions faced by most businesses are a typical example of structured decisions. Now, I would like to talk about unstructured decision actually taken by the top level management, the top level executives and directors of a business organization. Unstructured decisions involve decision situations where it is not possible to specify in advance most of the decision procedures to follow. Most decisions related to long-term strategy can be thought of as unstructured. And for example, what product lines should we develop over the next 5 years? And finally, I would like to talk about semi-structured decisions taken by technical management or business unit managers and self-directed teams. Most business decision situations are semi-structured. This is some decision procedures can be pre-specified, but not enough to lead to a definite recommended decision. For example, decisions involved in starting a new line of e-commerce services or making major changes to employee benefits would probably range from unstructured to semi-structured. Okay, dear students, I would like to give another example of unstructured decision, like what business should we be in 10 years from now. And from the diagram it is clear to you that decisions are unstructured decisions, semi-structured and structured, and usually decisions are taken by executives and directors at top level, which is known as strategic management decision. Then technical management, in where business unit managers and self-directed teams, they use a decision, usually they take decision. And finally operational management, in the operational level, operating managers and self-directed teams, they take structured decisions based on pre-specified schedule, detailed, frequent, historical, internal, narrow focus actually. Okay, dear students, at present I would like to talk about information quality. Do you know what is information? Information refers to processed, meaningful, and organized data based on which a decision can be taken. On the other hand, quality refers to degree of excellence. And here, information quality indicates the quality of information the information which is accurate, reliable, error-free, easy to understand, is known as quality information. And at present, information is regarded as one of the most valuable assets in business world, because based on information, managers at various levels of an organization take decision. If information is accurate, information is updated, information is error-free and reliable, then managers will be able to take proper decisions in order to achieve their target, in order to achieve short-term and long-term business objectives and goals. Dear students, just think about information that is outdated, inaccurate, hard to understand, has much less value, and managers can't rely on backdated information, inaccurate information, ambiguous information. And that's why information must be easy to understand, information must be error-free, accurate, updated, details, and so on. And at the time of talking about information quality, I would like to tell you that based on information quality, our information has three dimensions: time dimension, content dimension, and form dimension. Okay, dear students, now I'd like to talk about attributes or features of information quality. I mean, information must have quality. Managers badly need information quality in order to take timely and accurate decisions. And if you find the following attributes in any information, then you can say that this information is information has information quality. Okay, let's talk about dimensions of information quality, or attributes of information quality. Firstly, time dimension. Here you can see that time dimension can be classified into four categories: timeliness, currency, frequency, and time period. Okay, dear students, in order to have quality, information must have the following attributes or features. And in time dimension, firstly, timeliness. Timeliness refers to information should be provided when it is needed. Currency means information should be up to date when it is provided. Frequency indicates information should be provided as often as needed, whereas time period refers to information can be provided about past, present, and future time periods. The students, now I'd like to talk about content dimension. Uh, Accuracy, information should be free from errors. Relevance, information should be related to the information needs of a specific recipient for a specific situation. Next, completeness, all the information that is needed should be provided. Next one, conciseness, another attributes of information quality, which indicates only the information that is needed should be provided. Scope, another attribute of quality information quality, which exists in content dimension. Scope, information can have a broad or narrow scope or an internal or external focus. Performance, information can reveal performance by measuring activities accomplished, progress made, or resources accumulated. And the final attributes of information quality is form dimension, which consists of clarity, detail, order, presentation, and media. Let's discuss in details. Clarity, information should be provided in a form that is easy to understand. I mean, information must be understood by the audience easily. Detail, information can be provided in detail or summary form. Order, information can be arranged in a predetermined sequence. Presentation, information can be presented in narrative, numeric, graphic, or other forms. Media, information can be provided in the form of printed paper, documents, video displays, or other media. Okay, dear students, from the attributes of information quality, you have gotten clear idea that information must have quality. If information has quality and information has the mentioned attributes, only then we can say that this information has information quality. And if information has information quality, then managers as well as business professionals will be able to take timely and proper decision based on that information. Okay, dear students, at present I would like to talk about decision structure. Structured decision actually taken by operational management or managers at operational level. Structured decision, actually the procedures to follow when decision is needed can be specified in advance. I mean, in case of taking decisions at operational level, the managers, they can easily identify or they can easily follow the procedures in case of taking decision at operational level, and it is structured decision actually. An unstructured decision which is taken by top executives, top level managers, board of directors in strategic management level, and it is not possible to specify in advance most of the decision procedures to follow. I mean, in case of formulating a long-term strategy for a business organization in case of forming vision and mission, and the top level executives, for example chief executive officer, board of directors, managing director, they usually take unstructured decision, and in unstructured decision it is impossible to specify in advance most of the decision procedures to follow. And semi-structured, which in technical level management, decision procedures can be pre-specified but not enough to lead to the correct decision. In real life, in business world, there are three types of decisions taken by managers: structured decision at operational level, unstructured decision at strategic level, and semi-structured decision at technical level. Okay, to the students, now I would like to talk about differences between management information systems and decision support systems. Okay, management information systems provide information about the performance of the organization, whereas decision support systems provide information and techniques to analyze specific problems. Information form and frequency. Management information systems provide periodic, exception, demand and push reports and responses for the managers in order to take proper decision, whereas decision support systems provide interactive inquiries and responses in order to analyze the variables to take a proper decision. Information format. MIS provides information in pre-specified and fixed format to the managers, whereas DSS provides information in ad hoc, flexible and adaptable format to the managers. Information processing methodology. MIS information processing methodology, information produced by extraction and manipulation of business data in management information systems, whereas information produced by analytical modeling of business data in decision support systems. Okay, there is students, in order to clarify the concept about management information systems, I'd like to give an example. An example might help at this point. Just think about sales managers typically rely on management information systems to produce sales analysis reports. These reports contain sales performance figures by product line, salesperson, sales region, and so on. A decision support system, on the other hand, would also interactively show a sales manager the effects on sales performance of changes in a variety of factors such as promotion expense and sales compensation. Okay, dear students, now I would like to talk about business intelligence applications. Here you can see the diagram of business intelligence applications, which consists of decision support systems, knowledge management systems, online analytical processing, data mining, management information systems. At present, managers and business professionals, they take help from variety of business intelligence applications in order to take decisions, in order to achieve competitive advantages in order to beat the competitors. Okay, let's discuss in details. Decision support systems. Decision support systems use the following to support the making of semi-structured business decisions. Decision support systems use analytical models, specialized databases, decision makers' own insights and judgments, as well as an interactive computer-based modeling process in order to take semi-structured business decisions in real life. Moreover, decision support systems are designed to be ad hoc, quick response systems that are initiated and controlled by decision makers. Management information systems. Management information systems produces information products that support many day-to-day decision-making needs. Moreover, MIS produces reports, display and responses for the managers, and MIS satisfies needs of operational and technical decision makers who face structured decisions. I have given an example of management information systems earlier, which was the sales managers usually depend on management information systems to produce sales analysis reports, management reporting alternatives. Okay, the students, management information systems provide a variety of information products to managers. Four major reporting alternatives are provided by management information systems. And firstly, periodic schedule reports, pre-specified format on a regular basis. For an example, typical examples of periodic schedule reports are daily or weekly sales analysis reports and monthly financial statements. Next one, exception reports. Reports about exceptional conditions may be produced regularly or when an exception occurs. For an example, a credit manager can be provided with a report that contains only information on customers who have exceeded their credit limits. Exception reporting reduces information overload instead of overwhelming decision makers with periodic detailed reports of business activity. Thirdly, MIS produces demand reports and responses. Information is available on demand. For example, web browsers and database management systems, query languages, and report generators enable managers at PC workstations to get immediate responses or to find and obtain customized reports as a result of their requests for the information they need. Finally, push reporting. Information is pushed to a manager's network workstation. Thus, many companies are using webcasting software to selectively broadcast reports and other information to the network PCs of managers and specialists over their corporate intranets. Next, I'd like to talk about online analytical processing. OLAP, online analytical processing, enables managers and analysts to interactively examine and manipulate large amounts of detailed and consolidated data from many perspectives. OLAP involves analyzing complex relationships among thousands or even millions of data items stored in data marts data warehouses, and other multidimensional databases to discover patterns, trends, and exception conditions. An OLAP session takes place online in real time with rapid responses to a manager's or analyst's queries so that their analytical or decision-making process is undisturbed. Okay, the students, online analytical processing involves several basic analytical operations including consolidation, drill down, slicing and dicing. Okay, let's talk about consolidation. Actually, it indicates aggregation of data. Example, data about sales offices rolled up to the district level. Drill down, display underlying detailed data. Drill down, OLAP can also go in the reverse direction and automatically display detailed data that comprise consolidated data. This is called drill down. Once again, OLAP can also go in the reverse direction and automatically display detailed data that comprise consolidated data. This is called drill down. For example, the sales by individual products or sales representatives that make up our region's sales totals could be easily accessed. And finally, slicing and dicing, viewing database from different viewpoints, often performed along with a time axis. Slicing and dicing refers to the ability to look at the database from different viewpoints. One slice of the sales database might show all sales of a product type within regions. Another slice might show all sales by sales channel within each product type. Slicing and dicing is often performed along a time axis in order to analyze trends and find time-based patterns in the data. Geographic Information Systems (GIS). Decision Support Systems uses geographic databases to construct and display maps and other graphic displays. Moreover, GIS supports decisions affecting the geographic distribution of people and other resources. GIS often used with global positioning systems, GPS devices. Using decision support systems. Using a decision support system involves an interactively analytical modeling process. Decision makers are not demanding pre-specified information. They are exploring possible alternatives. Okay, dear students, here you can see using a decision support system involves 4 basic types of analytical modeling activities. Number 1, what if analysis. Number 2, sensitivity analysis. Number 3, goal seeking analysis. And number 4, optimization analysis. Okay, what if analysis. In what if analysis, a user makes changes to variables or relationships among variables and observes the resulting changes in the values of other variables. For example, what if we cut advertising by 10%? What would happen to sales? Next, another type of analytical modeling activities by decision support system is sensitivity analysis. In sensitivity analysis, it is observed how repeated changes to a single variable affect other variables. For example, let's start advertising by taka 5,000 repeatedly so we can see its relationship to sales. Next one, goal seeking analysis, making repeated changes to selected variables until a chosen variable reaches a target value. For example, let's try increases in advertising until sales reach $1 million. And finally, optimization analysis. In optimization analysis, it is found an optimum value for selected variables given certain constraints. In order to make your sense clear, I would like to give an example about optimization analysis. What's the best amount of advertising to have given our budget and choice of media? And in real life, managers, they use this model of decision make this model analytical modeling in case of decisions like what if analysis, sensitivity analysis, goal seeking analysis, and optimization analysis. And these analytical modeling tools help managers to evaluate a variable in different angle, in variety of dimension, and they finally can make proper decision for business organization. Okay, the students at present would like to talk about data mining. Data mining provides decision support through knowledge discovery. Data mining analyzes vast stores of historical business data. It looks for patterns, trends, and correlations. The goal of data mining is to improve business performance. And types of analysis: regression, decision tree, neural network, cluster detection, market basket analysis, and so on. Executive information systems, another type of information systems that managers and business professionals use in case of decision. Executive information systems combines many features of MIS and DSS. It provides top executives with immediate and easy access to information. It identifies factors that are critical to accomplishing strategic objectives, critical success factors. And executive information systems is so popular that it has been expanded to managers, analysis, and other knowledge workers. Features of executive information systems: information presented in forms tailored to the preferences of the executives using the system. And executive information systems are customizable graphical user interfaces. It provides exception reports. It performs trend analysis, and it has drill down capability. Artificial intelligence. The students, do you know what is artificial intelligence? Okay, I am giving answer of the question. Artificial intelligence is a field of science and technology based on disciplines such as computer science, biology, psychology, linguistics, mathematics, and engineering. The goal is to develop computers that can simulate the ability to think and see, hear, walk, talk, and feel, as well as attributes of intelligent behavior. Some of the attributes of intelligent behavior, in spite of not being a person, an artificial intelligence can think and reason, can think about the logic. Artificial intelligence can use reason to solve problems. Artificial intelligence can use logic in order to solve particular problems. It can learn and understand from prior experience. It can acquire and apply knowledge. It can exhibit creativity and imagination. Moreover, it can deal with complex and perplexing situations. It can respond quickly and successfully to new situations. Artificial intelligence or artificial intelligent behavior can recognize the relative importance of elements in a situation. Moreover, it can handle ambiguous, incomplete, and erroneous information. Dear students, here you can see the domains of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence can be classified into three categories: cognitive science applications, robotics applications, natural interface applications, and the following elements which consists of cognitive science application, robotic application, and natural interface applications are given here. Cognitive science applications. In the cognitive science of artificial intelligence are expert systems, knowledge-based systems, adaptive learning systems, fuzzy logic systems, neural networks, genetic algorithm software, intelligent agents. Focuses on how the human brain works and how human thinks and learn. Cognitive science focuses on how the human brain works and how humans think and learn. Robotics, artificial intelligence, engineering, and psychology, physiology are the basic disciplines of robotics. Robotics produces robot machines with computer intelligence and human-like physical capabilities. This area includes applications designed to give robots the powers of sight and visual perception, touch, dexterity, locomotion, navigation. Natural interfaces, major thrusts in the area of artificial intelligence and the development of natural interfaces are natural languages, speech recognition, virtual reality. Natural interfaces involves research and development in linguistics, psychology, computer science, and other disciplines. Expert systems. An expert system is a knowledge-based information system which can contain knowledge about a specific and complex application area, and expert system can act as an expert consultant to end users. The students, here you can see the components of an expert system. Benefits of expert systems. Expert systems are faster and more consistent than an expert. It can contain knowledge of multiple experts, and expert systems does not get tired or distracted. It can't be overworked or stressed, and expert systems helps preserve and reproduce the knowledge of human experts. Limitations of expert systems. In spite of having so many benefits, expert systems has also some limitations or pitfalls, like expert systems is limited focus, and it has inability to learn, and there are many problems in case of maintenance, and the development cost is mentionable. An expert system can only solve specific types of problems in a limited domain of knowledge. Although expert systems work as a consultant, and sometimes it can perform work of many experts, but like an expert, all the time expert systems can't give proper solution to emerged problem instantly. Knowledge engineering. A knowledge engineering works with experts to capture the knowledge, facts, and rules of thumb they possess, builds the knowledge base, and if necessary the rest of the expert system. Moreover, knowledge engineering performs a role similar to that of systems analysts in conventional information systems development. Okay, dear students, at present I'd like to talk about virtual reality. Virtual reality is a computer simulated reality, and it is fast growing area of artificial intelligence. Virtual reality is originated from efforts to build natural, realistic, multisensory human-computer interfaces, relies on multisensory input-output devices, and virtual reality creates a three-dimensional world through sight, sound, and touch, also called telepresence. Intelligent agents, a software surrogate for end user or a process that fulfills a stated need or activity, is known as intelligent agents. Intelligent agents uses built-in and learned knowledge base to make decisions and accomplish tasks in a way that fulfills the intentions of a user, and also called software robots or bots. User interface agents. Interface tutors. Interface tutors observe user computer operations, correct user mistakes, provide hints or advice on efficient software use. Presentation agents show information in a variety of forms, media based on user preferences. Network navigation agents discover paths to information, provide way to view it based on user preferences. Role-playing, play what-if games and other rules to help users understand information and make better decisions. Information management agents, search agents. Search agents help users find files and databases, search for information, and suggest and find new types of information, products, media, and resources. Moreover, information brokers provide commercial services to discover and develop information resources that fit business or personal needs. Information filters receive, find, filter, discard, save, forward, and notify users about products received or desired, including email, voicemail, and other information media. Dear students, from today's discussion, we have learned that in today's competitive business world, information has become one of the most valuable assets, and obviously the information must have quality. I am talking about quality information, and at present managers and business professionals, they have greatly dependent on various decision support systems in order to take proper decisions, in order to take timely decisions by analyzing variables from different perspectives and from different angles. Dear students, that's all from me. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.